What if I told you the secret to smoother skin, fewer wrinkles, and a healthier, younger-looking you isn't in that 100-pound cream or the latest Instagram serum, but in something your body used to make in abundance? It's called collagen. And right now, millions of people are drinking it, swallowing it, injecting it, all in the name of staying young. But here's the truth. Does it actually work? Is it just hype? Or could this simple supplement be the missing link in the science of longevity? Stick around, because what you learn in the next few minutes might just change how you age. So what is collagen? Imagine collagen as the scaffolding that holds your body together. It's the most abundant protein in your body, making up around 30% of your total protein. It's in your skin, your bones, your tendons, even your teeth. Without it, you'd be a saggy, weak, leaky mess. In fact, the word collagen comes from the Greek kolla, meaning glue, because that's what it does. It glues you together. Now, when it comes to your skin, collagen is a big deal. It provides structure, firmness, and elasticity. It's what gives skin that plump, smooth, youthful look. Think of it as the springs inside a mattress. When there's plenty of collagen, everything's firm and bouncy. But here's the bad news. After your mid-20s, your body starts making less of it. By the time you hit your 40s and 50s, collagen production has slowed dramatically. And what happens when collagen breaks down faster than it's replaced? Wrinkles, fine lines, sagging, dryness, basically aging skin. And it's not just about looks. Collagen loss also affects your joints, your bones, your gut lining, and even the strength of your blood vessels. That's why collagen is now being looked at not just as a beauty supplement, but as a longevity tool. Scientists are studying whether it can help keep our bodies biologically younger for longer, not just on the outside, but deep inside too. But here's the million-dollar question. Can taking extra collagen really top up what your body no longer produces? Or is it just expensive powder that your stomach digests and forgets? All right, you've seen the tubs of collagen powder at the store, you've seen influencers mix it into their smoothies. But what actually happens when you swallow collagen? First, your body breaks it down in the gut. The long collagen proteins get chopped into smaller chains called peptides, and then into even smaller building blocks called amino acids. So, does that mean the collagen you drink or eat just turns into regular old protein? Well, not exactly. Studies have found that certain collagen peptides, especially hydrolyzed collagen, do get absorbed into the bloodstream in their smaller form. Some of them even seem to stimulate your skin cells to produce more collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid, all key players in youthful skin. One 2019 randomized controlled trial published in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology found that after 12 weeks of taking hydrolyzed collagen, women showed significant improvements in skin hydration, elasticity, and roughness. Another meta-analysis in 2021 pulled data from 19 studies and concluded that collagen supplementation significantly improved skin elasticity, hydration, and dermal collagen density. So, yes, the science isn't just hype. There's real growing evidence that collagen supplements can benefit the skin. But here's the catch. Not all collagen is created equal. Type 1 collagen is the most relevant for your skin, but some supplements contain other types more suited for joints or cartilage. And dosage matters too. Most of the studies showing benefits use between 2.5 to 10 grams of collagen per day, taken consistently for at least 8 to 12 weeks. Also, taking collagen isn't a magic bullet. It works with your body, not instead of it. Your lifestyle still plays a massive role. Smoking, excess sun exposure, stress, poor sleep, and sugar. All of these break down collagen faster than you can rebuild it. So yes, collagen supplements can help if you give them time and you stack them with smart habits. And that brings us to the next big question. We all want to look younger, sure, but if we're serious about longevity, it's not just about what's on the surface. Collagen isn't just a skin-deep beauty hack. It's a foundational protein for aging well, from the inside and out. Let's start with the skin. Collagen provides strength and structure, but when it breaks down, skin becomes thinner, drier, and less elastic. That's why wrinkles form and why healing takes longer. Replenishing collagen may not make you look 20 again, but it can help slow the visible signs of aging. Better hydration, improved elasticity, and reduced depth of wrinkles have all been documented. That means smoother, stronger, healthier skin that feels better, not just looks better. But it doesn't stop there. Collagen also supports bones and joints. After all, your bones are made up of over 30% collagen. It gives them flexibility and resilience. As we age, we lose both bone density and collagen, and this combo increases the risk of fractures, joint pain, and arthritis. Some studies show that collagen supplementation can improve joint function and reduce joint discomfort, especially in people with osteoarthritis or active lifestyles. There's also evidence linking collagen to gut health. The amino acids in collagen, like glycine and glutamine, may help repair the gut lining, reducing inflammation and supporting digestion. And we now know that gut health plays a massive role in immune function, energy, and even mood. And get this, some researchers are looking into collagen's role in vascular health. Collagen is critical for maintaining strong, elastic blood vessels. When collagen weakens, arteries can stiffen, increasing the risk of heart disease. So when we talk about collagen and longevity, we're not just talking vanity. We're talking about mobility, vitality, and keeping the entire body biologically younger for longer. But before you load up on supplements, let's talk about how to do it right, what works, what doesn't, and how to stack the odds in your favor. All right, you're convinced collagen might actually be worth a try. But before you hit buy now on that trendy pink tub of powder, let's make sure you're doing it right. First things first, not all collagen is created equal. Look for hydrolyzed collagen peptides, also labeled as collagen hydrolysate. This form is broken down into smaller amino acid chains, which are easier for your body to absorb. Second, check the type of collagen. Type 1 is best for skin, hair, and bones. Type 2 is more for joints and cartilage. Some blends have all three, which is great if you want all-around support. Dosage matters. Most research shows benefits at 2.5 to 10 grams per day. You don't need to go overboard, more isn't always better, and consistency is key. Take it daily for at least 8 to 12 weeks before judging results. Also, pair it with vitamin C. Your body needs vitamin C to produce collagen. So either take it with orange juice or go for a supplement that includes it already. Now for the common mistakes. First, expecting overnight results. Collagen works slowly, over weeks, not days. If you don't see changes in the first month, don't panic. Skin turnover and tissue repair take time. Second, ignoring your lifestyle. If you're smoking, skimping on sleep, or overloading on sugar, you're breaking down collagen faster than you can build it. Supplements help, but they're not miracle workers. Third, buying low-quality or flavored products full of junk. Some powders are packed with artificial sweeteners, fillers, or even heavy metals. Look for brands that are third-party tested and transparent about sourcing. Finally, timing. Some people swear by taking collagen on an empty stomach. Others add it to coffee or smoothies. There's no magic time. What matters most is that you're consistent. So, what does the science say about collagen supplements? Are they just a wellness trend, or is there real evidence backing their efficacy? A comprehensive 2021 systematic review and meta-analysis examined 26 randomized controlled trials involving 1,721 participants. The findings revealed that hydrolyzed collagen supplementation significantly improved skin hydration and elasticity compared to placebo groups. In another study, participants who consumed 10 grams of collagen peptides daily for 56 days experienced notable enhancements in skin moisture, firmness, and elasticity. The study reported a 14% increase in skin hydration and a 17% improvement in elasticity. Furthermore, a 12-week clinical trial demonstrated that a collagen supplement containing hydrolyzed collagen and vitamin C led to significant improvements in skin hydration, elasticity, roughness, and density. These benefits were sustained even 4 weeks after discontinuing the supplement. While these studies are promising, it's important to note that many collagen supplements include additional ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamins, or minerals. This makes it challenging to isolate the effects of collagen alone. Moreover, some experts express skepticism, pointing out that ingesting collagen doesn't guarantee it will directly translate to increased collagen in the skin. Nevertheless, the growing body of research suggests that consistent collagen supplementation can contribute to improved skin health and potentially slow aspects of the aging process. Collagen supplements can help, but you know what's even better? Teaching your body to make more of it naturally. Think of it like this. Supplements are backup singers, but your daily habits? They're the lead vocals when it comes to collagen production. Let's start with nutrition. Collagen is made from amino acids, especially glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. You get those from protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, bone broth, chicken skin, and even legumes. But that's only part of the equation. Your body also needs vitamin C to stitch those amino acids into actual collagen fibers, so load up on citrus fruits, berries, bell peppers, and leafy greens. Zinc and copper also play key roles. You'll find them in shellfish, seeds, nuts, and whole grains. Next up, exercise. Specifically, resistance training. Studies show that lifting weights can actually stimulate collagen synthesis in skin, tendons, and even bones. Want to take it up a notch? Try cold exposure, like cold showers or ice baths. Early research suggests it may stimulate collagen and elastin production, along with reducing inflammation. And don't forget about sleep. Your body does its deepest repair work at night, including collagen creation. Poor sleep equals poor skin. Here's a surprising one: stress management. Chronic stress increases cortisol, and cortisol breaks down collagen. So whether it's deep breathing, journaling, or mindfulness, protecting your peace literally protects your skin. Finally, yes, you can go in the sun, but protect yourself. UV rays are one of collagen's worst enemies. If you want to age well, SPF is your best friend. Bottom line, supplements can support your skin, but your daily choices build the foundation. When you align diet, movement, sleep, and stress with your goals, you're not just chasing better skin, you're building a body that ages slower, and that right there is what true longevity is all about. Collagen can be a powerful ally in your longevity toolkit, but like anything you put into your body, it's not one size fits all. Let's talk about some potential risks and considerations before you dive in. First, source matters. Most collagen supplements are derived from animal products, typically bovine, cow, marine, fish, or porcine, pig, sources. If you have dietary restrictions, allergies, or follow a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle, this could be a deal breaker. Marine collagen, for example, may not be suitable for people with seafood allergies. Always check the source and don't assume clean equals safe. Second, heavy metal contamination. Some cheaper collagen supplements, especially marine-based ones, have been found to contain trace amounts of heavy metals like lead or mercury. That's why it's crucial to buy from brands that are third-party tested and transparent about their sourcing. Third, digestive reactions. While rare, some users report bloating, gas, or stomach discomfort after taking collagen, especially when starting out. If you have a sensitive gut, try starting with a smaller dose and gradually increasing. Fourth, collagen is not regulated like drugs. In most countries, collagen is considered a dietary supplement, not a medication. That means it's not strictly regulated. There's no guarantee that what's on the label is exactly what's in the jar. Fifth, it's not a miracle cure. Even with the promising studies, collagen isn't going to reverse 30 years of damage overnight. It's a tool, not a fix-all. Think of it as a long-term investment in skin and body health, not a quick fix. Sixth, talk to your doctor. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, taking medication, or have any chronic health conditions, have a conversation with your GP or a registered dietitian before adding any supplement, including collagen, to your routine. In short, collagen is generally safe, well-tolerated, and promising, but it's not without its caveats. Knowledge is power, and making informed decisions is a huge part of aging wisely. So, is collagen right for you? If you're looking to improve your skin's hydration, firmness, and elasticity, and you're willing to commit for at least 8 to 12 weeks, the research says it's probably worth trying. If you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or beyond, and you're thinking about longevity, not just how you look, but how your body holds up, collagen might be one of the more evidence-based supplements out there. But here's the truth. Collagen isn't magic. It's not going to undo decades of poor lifestyle choices. It won't give you flawless skin in a week. It won't replace sleep, movement, hydration, or a solid diet. What it can do is support your body's natural ability to repair, regenerate, and stay stronger for longer. It's a small daily ritual that over time might help your skin look fresher, your joints move easier, and your body age more gracefully. And isn't that what we all want? Not just to live longer, but to live better. So if you're going to try collagen, do it smart. Choose a high-quality product, stay consistent, eat well, move daily, manage your stress, and get that precious sleep. Longevity isn't about one supplement. It's about stacking small wins every single day. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, consider hitting that like button, subscribing for more science-backed longevity content, and leaving a comment. Have you tried collagen? Did it work for you? Let's share the knowledge and grow younger together. Until next time, stay strong, stay curious, and take care of the skin and soul you live in.